Hi guys, what's up? And today I haven't done a Lego video in a long time. So today I'm gonna do a video on the Speed Champions Bugatti. Comes with 181 pieces. Here's the side. Other side. There's the Bugatti logo. Comes with I think it comes with one minifigure. There's the back. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into building this. So I'm just gonna open the box and see what's inside. I'm not sure who usually uses this, but I'm just gonna use it for this purpose of this video. They don't really open that well, these boxes. So here's one of the bags. Usually the smaller pieces in here. Then we have large pieces. Then we have plates, large pieces, stickers, and the instruction booklet. And there's still one more bag of smaller pieces in there. Oh, and I'm assuming that's the body undercarriage of the car. Then we have the tire rims, I'm assuming. And yeah, that's pretty much what's in the box. Now let's get into building. Okay, so this is the full set. It comes with this wrench slash screwdriver thing. Then it comes with 3 cones. Do not stand very well on carpet. Probably stands more well on hardwood flooring or tiles. And here's a Lego minifigure. It's front. Comes with the mask, and you can see that little logo right there. It says Bugatti. And then on the back there's a bigger logo that says Bugatti also. So that's the minifigure. Okay, and here's the actual car. Nice detail, especially with these rim pieces. They're black. It's not the default rim inside it. So that's a nice touch. I wish these doors would open though. Some of them do on some of the sets. They do, I think. I'm pretty sure most of the Lego City sets, they open up. And then you have this red thing on the back here. Thought it was an actual Lego piece until I found out that it was just an elastic band. Came in this box compartment. Spoiler moves up and down. The top just pops off. I feel like on the front here it's a bit unfinished because there's a whole bunch of studs sticking out. And I'm not sure if I messed up on it, and I'm pretty sure I didn't because I'm just looking at the box right now, and it looks like that from the box. I wish they added more detail in here, or maybe like some plates just to cover it up. Here's the undercarriage. Not very much detail under here. On the creator sets, they probably have way more detail. like this is just would be like a basic Lego city build set. A creator set would probably have a lot more detail, like you would probably open the hood, but it's also a lot bigger. Here's the Lego guy standing right beside it. It's not that big of a set. As I mentioned earlier, it's only 181 pieces. Front headlights. And you got that Bugatti logo again. I would have liked it if they put a Bugatti logo maybe in the back, like with this one. Maybe like just make this a bit smaller and just put it right on top there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to drop a comment, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and bye.